I got my MAC Squirt Balm, and I am number 679 of 1,000. That was written, handwritten. I feel so special. I am excited, so we're gonna try this out. Ooh, so pretty. It's made in Korea. Shouts out to Korea. That's what it looks like. I'll see MAC with the what you call it, the packaging. You can roll it up, but you can't roll it back down. All right, so I rolled it up that much, just a smidge. Classic MAC scent. Oh yeah, I like this. It's very balmy, but it does feel like a gloss. Getting a little pepperminty in there. Okay, I came into better lighting. It's not giving me that greenish hue from what I can see in this lighting. But this is very comfortable. And that's what it looks like. It's very comfortable. My favorite MAC lip product is the lip conditioner. I'm going to show you how much I love it. You ready? Girl. That's all I got. Ain't got no more.